Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing a polish swatch and review for the Orly nail polish. The name of the polish is Fresh and the number is 40096. It is 0.6 fluid ounces or 18 milliliters. I ordered this off eBay from the supplier Zoa Nail 01 for $5.50 free expedited shipping. It arrived within 2 business days. The supplier offers many of the Orly nail polishes. If you're interested in any of those that you see here, you can go into the description box and there will be a link that will take you to the supplier on eBay. Just a little quick information on the Fresh Orly nail polish. It is from the collection Happy Go Lucky Back to School from 2011. In that collection there is Fresh, Frisky, Frolic, and Flirty. Fresh is a beautiful green, very bright and bold. I love it for the summer and spring seasons. Super, super pretty. It's a very beautiful green color. The color of it actually reminds you of fresh cut grass to me, or your garden. So I love this color and I'm super excited to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the first coat. But before we get into the swatch, this is going to be an accent nail manicure, so I do have to prep my accent nail. And for that I'm using the polish Broadway Nails Pretty Duckling, also the nail polish. It is a mixture of holographic and silver glitter. I'm also going to be using my Born Pretty liquid peel-off tape. If you don't have that, you can use glue or regular tape. And I'm just going to spread that around my nail on my ring finger, which I'm going to be using as my accent nail. And while I'm waiting on it to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start the polish swatch with the Fresh polish. So now I'm going to do my accent nail, and for that I'm using the opposite side of my makeup sponge that I used for the other hand, and I'm just applying the Pretty Duckling on the makeup sponge, and I'm going to sponge it gently on my nail until I get the desired look that I'm going for. Once that's complete, I'm going to remove that liquid peel, let it dry, and then I'll add a top coat. Now I'm going to go in really quick and add a second coat of the Fresh polish by Orly, and then I'll come back with my review. Okay, so now that both coats are finished, I'm going to let them dry completely and then I'll add my top coat. For some reason I didn't hit record when adding the top coat, but I'm using the Orly clear top coat, the shine coat. First thing first, the Orly Fresh nail polish is cruelty free. I did message their website and they sent a reply that says Orly is and always has been 100% cruelty free. All of our products are vegan free except for the following: cuticle therapy cream, gel FX remover, sugar fix to go, nail armor, and nailtrition. And then it says if you have any additional questions, please let us know. So they are cruelty and mostly vegan free. As far as the formula for the polish goes, the formula is really thin and watery, so you really want to be careful when applying it and not to fill your brush too heavily. or else the polish is going to spread very quickly and you're going to have a huge mess on your nail. It will flood your cuticles and on the side of your nails very easily. So you want to make sure that you just pull a little bit up at a time out of the bottle. The brush, in my opinion, is really small and thin. I'm a huge fan of big, thick brushes that just cover the nail. So it's not my favorite, but it is very flexible, so it wasn't that hard to work with. This polish is rather opaque. The first coat was a little bit streaky, but with 2 coats, you get a full opaque finish, and it's a really shiny finish. You really don't need more than 2 coats, but if you wanted sort of more of a bolder look, you could add a 3rd coat, but you do not need it. It is a very opaque polish. Dry time for the polish is rather quick, so you don't have to spend a lot of time on your manicure. The color, again, absolutely beautiful. So overall, out of 5 stars, definitely a 5-star rating. If you're interested in seeing other customer reviews and other places where you can purchase this product, you can check out my review website, which I'll leave a link also in the description box for that as well. And that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoy the pictures. And please don't forget to hit your bell for notifications when I upload new content. And I will see y'all next Saturday. Bye, guys.